Hello guys. Welcome to Healthcare for the Future, where you get all information about health. I will urge you to subscribe to this channel in order to see more of our videos. Also like and share this video to enable others to see it. I will also like to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Tell us what you feel about our videos. Whether you're doing it to help increase your testosterone levels, reverse insulin resistance, or just doing it to save some extra bucks at the end of the week. Quitting sugar may just be the best thing you do for the health of your body. Now, when we mention sugar in this video, we are referring to all forms of added sugar or artificial sweeteners, with the exemption of natural sugars such as those found in dairy and fruits. Here's what happens every day for up to 32 days. After you stop consuming sugar, on the first day your body is adjusting to the change, and you may feel some cravings for sweet foods and withdrawal symptoms, such as headaches, fatigue, mood swings, and irritability. You may also feel more tired than usual, but this is normal as your body adapts to using different sources of energy. On the second and fourth day, your sugar withdrawal symptoms might continue while your body is still adjusting to life without sugar. You may experience some more intense cravings for sweet foods and may continue to experience irritability, headaches, and might even begin to feel foggy. It is also common to experience intestinal symptoms like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea during this time. On the other hand, some individuals may start feeling more energetic and focused as their bodies adjust to being sugar-free. By the fourth to seventh day, your energy levels should start to improve, and at this point the cravings and headaches should have reduced, and most people start to feel better. Your digestive system might also have adapted to the new sugar-free diet, thus reducing any gastrointestinal symptoms. Your sleep should also improve at this point, and you may feel more rested in the morning. The age of 15 to 20 is the point where individuals start to experience some weight loss as your body starts burning fat for energy instead of sugar. Your skin will also start to clear up and look healthier, and some people might notice an improvement in their complexion. In this third week, your taste buds will start to adjust, and you may find that foods that didn't taste sweet before now taste sweeter. Your energy levels will continue to improve, and you might find that you're able to focus better throughout the day. By day 21 to 25, you're over halfway through your sugar-free month, and you're really starting to reap the benefits of quitting sugar. You may notice that your mood has improved and you're feeling more positive overall. You may also find that you're sleeping more soundly and waking up feeling more refreshed. In this fourth week, most people report feeling more energetic, focused, and alert. Your immune system might also get a boost, reducing the frequency of colds and infections. However, some people might still experience cravings and might need to be more vigilant about avoiding sugary foods. Day 25 to 32 marks the last week of your sugar-free month. That is if you decide to stop after 32 days. In this week, the benefits of quitting sugar become more pronounced, and you will begin to experience improved mental clarity, better sleep, reduced inflammation, increased metabolic health, and your body will become more sensitive to insulin. Now, your body's sensitivity to insulin is very important, because as you become more sensitive to insulin, Your insulin resistance decreases and when insulin resistance decreases, testosterone levels begin to increase. You will also begin to notice that your body composition has changed. You've lost some weight or reduced your body fat. Percentage your energy levels are steady at this point and you're not experiencing the same crashes as before. Your digestive system will also continue to improve. You may notice better bowel movements and reduce bloating and feel more satisfied after meals with way less sugar cravings than before. If you've got any value from this video, do give it a thumbs up, but then I will urge you to subscribe to this channel in order to see more of our videos. Also like and share this video to enable others to see it. I will also like to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Tell us what you feel about our videos and click on the video on the screen for more.